evening, everybody. How are you guys doing over there? So come on in over here. Today, we're going to have a very exciting day. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about financing. So those of you who want to know how to get your loans, we have someone over here. She has come on our show before. She's very, very popular, and she's going to talk about loans. So today, we're going to talk about, well, we're going to have a 5-step series. So I want those of you who are watching here, the purpose of us doing this is for us to win in 2020. Now, I just spoke to a couple of developers today, right? And I can tell you right now that, getting loans is really very tough nowadays. It's not about getting the good deals. We're talking about HOC yesterday by Dato Lee. We're talking about how much opportunities are out there. But the most important thing over here today is how you can get your financing done. So how many of you would like to know more about how you can get your financing? If you can come, all right? Share as many people as possible. Please do come over here, come and learn and share with as many people as possible. And let's just say hi to everyone over here. Okay, so hi, good evening, everybody. This is the 2nd of July. This is gonna be an interesting topic with we're gonna talk about finance. And the person that we have today is a very pretty lady, all the way from Johor. All right, her name is Miss Wong. So hi, Miss Wong, how are you doing?
Hi, Michael. Good evening, Michael. Good evening. Okay, thank you so much, Michael, for inviting me again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, so those of you watching, everyone, please say hi to Miss Wong. By the way, you better make sure you remember her name, because and Miss Wong, I hope you can leave your contact, because the last time we do this, a lot of people want to know more about you. Okay, so Miss Wong, if you could just share your contact after this. And I also realized that is it? I saw your Facebook. Is it your birthday recently?
Yes, 30th of June.
Wow, okay, happy birthday. So everybody, please wish Miss Wong happy birthday over here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So just turn 18 or turn 21?
18 this year.
Okay.
You're 19 only, right, Michael? I know you are older than me, 1 year old.
So how is things in Johor?
So far okay, so everything getting back to normal already. Okay, but like you say just now, very agreed with what Michael just now said. Getting loan is getting tougher and tougher right now. Too many new policy is coming up.
So those of you over here who's watching this right now, everybody's watching this right now, please share to as many of your investor friends as possible. Now, I kid you not. Now, how many of you want to make money during this time? How many of you want to make money during this crisis? All right. If you want to, hi Chufen, hi Aziz. All right. If you guys are watching this right now and you want to get loans, all right. We are now having a loan specialist tonight. Okay. Her name is Miss Wong. You better learn from this. Okay. So hey, Suki, how you doing? So if you are watching this right now, please share to as many of your friends as possible. All right, about how to get your loans going out there. I think this is super important. So share to as many people. Now, how many of you here want to know more about how to get the loans? If you want to get know how to get the loans, please type there loans. All right. So then what happened is we are going to get Miss Wong to share. So it's getting quite tough nowadays, isn't it?
Yes.
Roughly right now, like the approval rate, what is it like?
Okay, previously, for your information, last year, okay, out of 10 cases, for my records, I can get 7 cases being done, approved. All right. But recently, I was trying to submit loan. Okay. That's only dropped to 50%, 50.
Wow. 50%.
It's not, sometimes it's not because of the profile. It's because of the bank policy. Yeah. Because they keep changing of the new policy and then getting very strict. They tighten up a lot of things.
So the current bank policy has changed?
Yes.
Okay, so those of you who are watching this right now, okay, if you are now interested, now listen up, buying property is not easy, okay, unless of course you plan to buy cash, and I think that's very ridiculous if those of you who are thinking of buying cash. I think everyone who wants to be an investor today, you have to really jaga your profile, okay? We always call it profile. Profile is your documentation, right? And I think that's very, very important. Usually I always advise investors, you need 3 to 6 months to make sure that you're good, right? You have a good track record. So I think today Miss Wong is going to share a lot of good information. We're going to talk about how to screen. Now, screening means, okay, how to check what does the bank check? What does the bank want to look for? So if those of you who have friends who want to be investors, please don't miss this session. We're going to do it very special. So I'm going to tell it to you. After this, I'm going to stop talking already. I'm going to pass to Miss Wong. She's going to go through. Now, she's got only about half an hour and she's going to go through a lot of details. Right? And then after all those details, we'll give you a special question and answer. Now, usually question and answer, not a lot of time one. So you better stay tuned. And my experience is after Miss Wong share all this, you should have more questions one. So you better ask them out. Right? After you see. Yeah. So today we're going to talk about screening. Screening is basically what the banks do. But Miss Wong is Miss Wong, can you share a little bit about your background? Are you going to do that in the talk?
Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to give a short introduction of myself. Okay, I'm from JB, as just now mentioned, Michael mentioned. Okay, so I was your mortgage doctor. Okay, so for the last 7 years, I was helping my clients submitted over 800 cases. Okay, of mortgage loan, refinance, SME loans. Okay, which was successfully approved by banks. Okay, so my approval rate can say is almost 80% lah. But recently it's dropped because of, just now I mentioned already, is policy due to the bank policy. Okay, so the reason why I'm so focused on helping my clients on this loan issue is because I have a very bad experience. Okay, back in year 2008, okay, 2008, when the time I was a financial planner, okay, my monthly pay is quite high. That's around 6,000 to 7,000 on the time. Okay, so I'm going to buy a house for my own stay. There's a double-story terrace. Okay, and then it's worth 400,000. So I was submitted my document to banks. Okay, I have tried, before that I tried 3 banks, but very unfortunately I was rejected by these 3 banks. Okay, without any reason given to me. Okay, so I have very frustrated already. So I even submit my loan to those banks like Bank Muamalat, Bank Islam, Bank Rakyat. Even these 3 banks was rejected my case. Can you just imagine, okay, how frustrated I am? And the most annoying part is I couldn't get an actual reason why my case been rejected. Okay, so from that onwards, okay, I was started to do research and find the answer why bank reject my case. So over all this year, and of course, I have accumulating my experience and handling so many cases. So I have created a system called S2S strategy, okay, to helping my client more easy to get their loan. Because this rejected by 6 banks is really a very shameful thing to me. I swear to myself, it will not happen to me again. Okay. So today onwards,
doing this S2S system.
Yes, sorry.
What's the meaning of S2S?
Okay, very good question. Okay, S2S system, which means from screening to submission.
Wow.
There's total 5 steps. Okay, total 5 steps, which I will share with you all by this continuous whole month of July, every Thursday.
So, okay, everybody watching right now, we have a very exciting time over here. Okay, now this is Miss Wong. Is usually only if you're a client of Miss Wong, you get to know all these things, and she's sharing this to you guys for free. So if how many of you want to know what this S2S system is, then you write there S2S. Okay, everybody write there S2S. Again, enough people that we start this series. Now 5 series meaning that every Thursday, 8 o'clock, she's going to share step by step. You get to find out all the information. Okay, so if you guys are interested, please put there S2S, and then we see whether you are interested. When enough people are not there, any answer to share. Okay, and so and one more thing, do me one favor, those of you watching. Okay, now banking, financing is very important. Very few people in the market know how to do it. Right, and I highly recommend especially those of you maybe from Singapore, you know, because nearby JB, you want to go out there to get your loans, right? Malaysians, of course, everybody else want to find out, you please, okay, share to your friends, okay, share to your friends, okay. There's also Malaysians working in Singapore, foreign income, also please share to them, because many of this information is very different one, right? Wow, okay, ready, okay, so continue. Wow, they're getting exciting already. I also want to know.
Okay, so can I start my talk this 30 minutes? All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will share some slideshow. Let me put up the slide first. Okay, Mr. Horticulture. Okay, so as just now I mentioned, okay, what is this S2S system, S2S strategy? Let me go through one by one. So this week I will share this screening, and this is the most crucial first step. I will tell you why this is the most crucial first step, because if you can't go through this screening, there's no further step for you. Okay, you just die there already. Okay. So next week, I will talk about this money matter. Show me your income. Bank will ask you, show me your income. Not show me, show the bank. So I will talk about how to increase your income by technically. Okay, show some document, then you can increase your income very easily. And then the third week is how committed you are. Here, committed is referred to your commitment, existing commitment. Okay, because some of our client they don't know their credit card will be badly affected this monthly installment. Okay, so this one I will show you how to decrease your monthly installment as well. Okay, by technically. Okay, the fourth week we will go through this mortgage complete checklist. What the bank want to see right now. When you submit your case, you must know what is the most important document bank are looking for. All right. And the last but not least is this submission. Okay. So submission is the key to success lies in the who. Who is this who? This who is the person you submit to, and also which bank you are submit to. All right. Because bank and the officer is very important. No matter how good you have prepared all your document ready, but you submit to the wrong officer or wrong bank, okay, everything is gone. Okay, so this 5 steps, we call it S2S, from screening to submission. So today I will share with you this screening, the very first step. Okay, so what is this screening? Bank will screen through these few main factor. Okay, majority 3 main factor. The first one, we call it application scoring, is to screen your personal profile. Second is screen through your credit scoring, secrets report. Okay, and then
you're gonna go through all these. Miss Wong, sorry, you're gonna go through all this step by step, right? Like personal profile, what is it about? Okay.
Yes, I will go through one by one. Okay, if I'm too fast, can you please ask me to slower a bit? Okay, all right. Okay. So the third only come to DSR. Okay, because I right now I found that many people asking me, Miss Wong, can you please call us help me to calculate my DSR, whether I still can go for more loans or not. But actually, for this screening step, DSR is the last step. If you fill the previous 2 steps, okay, you no need to count your DSR because there's no use. All right. Okay, so I will go through one by one. What is this personal profile? Bank are looking for what? Okay, so before that, if you want to apply a loan, of course, the bank officer will ask you to fill up a application form, right? So inside the application form, there is many details you need to fill up. Once you fill up every single item, there is a scoring. Okay, there is a scoring. So that's why we call it application scoring system. So with this scoring system, I want to tell a story, because if last time your father or yourself, you know the branch manager very well or the top management very well, then over a lunchtime, you just buy a bak kut teh or nasi biryani, your case will be counting. Okay, so I know you, you know me, ma. You see, my father got so many assets, you afraid me run away, man. So okay lah, come ching, you just approve my loan lah. Okay, so when that time is very easy. If you know the person who are going to approve your loan, that's easy lah. Okay, but right now everything go to system. So go to system, which means you cannot talk kamcheng to the system. Can means can. Cannot means cannot.
That means this is electronical. Electronical.
Electronical. Yes. Everything go through system. You cannot talk kamcheng to the system or the computer. Okay. So what you fill up, when you fill up the form, that's the very first step already. The bank already start to screen you. Okay. So let's see. What is the first thing? Okay. Occupation. Right now, occupation is very crucial, because this occupation is mean whether you are under employment or you are self-employed. You right now, bank is prefer those underemployed one. Okay, for those self-employed, especially those SME owner, it's very hard to get their loan. Okay, so which means underemployed one, their scoring is more higher than the self-employed. Okay, so the next will be go through this nature of business. This nature of business will be if last time whoever did go come to my live with Michael, I did mention that some nature of business was badly impacted by this pandemic. Okay, COVID-19. So bank right now they have many this internal policy already telling the staff, if those business under this category is not is straight away reject. Just like hotel line, airline, travel agency, tour guides, event management, event management, and those construction, renovation, etc. Okay, so this is, if you are come from all this field, please take note of that. You must very careful. You must look for those bank who still accept all this kind of business one.
Okay. Those of you who are watching right now, you can start to ask questions. You can type it in. Later on, we will go and highlight the questions for you guys. All right. So if those of you just came in and watching, we're now going through a system that Miss Wong has designed. We have 5 parts. This is the most important part called screening. So screening got 3 areas: personal profile, secrets, and then DSR. Well, this is a lot of information that I think is very valuable for you all. So please take note of all this. Write down. If you got any questions, write down as well. Okay. All right. So this is for loans. All right.
Okay. So continue. Let's continue. Okay. So the age. Actually, in bank policy, the age if you are already reached 21, actually you can apply loans already. But right now, many banks has secretly increased the age up to 25 years old, because those who are 25 and below, bank will think that they are still not stable yet. Okay, they buy things is because of emotion. So they have already increased the age to 25 years old. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the income.
Okay. Increased to 75 years old, is it?
25, sorry. 25 years old.
Previously can get how much? Previously is 21 years old, right? Now why 25?
Yes, because previously when the time I still remember I got a client who are just reached 23, also can single applicant can get loan already. But start from last year, the bank already increased to 25 years old. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Because under 25 is still very young. Buy thing is because of emotion. Okay. Putting sing. Okay. All right. So income.
But they won't tell you this. They won't tell you this.
Sorry.
They won't tell you that their age limit is 25. They just secretly. That means secretly means official is 21. But then that means if you're 20 less than 21, most likely they will reject your loan.
Yes, but they won't straight away reject your loan. They will ask, if just because of the age, they will ask you to pull in a co-borrower. Okay.
So if you do a joint loan, okay, I was going to ask that. Joint loan, okay.
Yes. Okay. Joint is okay. Okay. So come to this income. Of course, this income is very important. Okay. Actually 2,000 is the minimum range for income. But majority bank, they are accept 3,000 and above. Okay, the entry age, the entry income, okay, is minimum 3,000 and above. Okay, all right. Net, this income must be met.
I want to go back. There's a few questions here already. I want to just protect Miss Wong a bit, So if you're asking general questions, very good. Thank you very much. Like Mr. Michael said, oil and gas, casino industry still considered high risk?
Okay.
Is it
oil and gas? Yes, it's considered high risk right now.
Okay. Even casino?
Casino, okay. Even worse.
Okay. Okay. Can still apply loan?
Can, but you have to look for those bank is still acceptable, and then you must prove a lot of income proof or saving proof.
Okay, next question. Are you allowed to tell the banks or not?
I'm sorry, I'm not going to talk about the name. Okay, so sorry about that.
Everybody, listen. Okay, so those of you, by the way, how many of you enjoying yourself so far? If you're enjoying yourself so far, please give a couple of trees right now. Give a couple of trees right now, if you're enjoying yourself. So thank you, Miss Wong, for the information. All right, but here's what I want to do. I want to also protect Miss Wong. She's servicing many banks. So to protect her and to also make sure her relationship with the bank is good, please do not ask for specific bank names. Okay, that is not nice lah. Okay, in case anything happens, I want her to make sure she gives good value here for the next 4 sessions. We got 5 sessions with us every Thursday. So please don't get into trouble. So anyway, general questions okay, but if you like to know about the bank information, her number is there. You can talk to her. You can go and PM her and ask privately. Okay. Okay. So continue.
Thank you, Walter. Thank you. Okay. So next will be education background. Okay. Many people will ask, Miss Wong, are you sure education background will give me high score? Definitely. Okay. If a diploma holder versus a master degree holder, of course, the master degree holder loan will be the get approval chances is higher than the diploma. Sorry to say that. Okay, bank is very realistic one. Okay, so you will say, hey, Miss Wong, like that, I can just simply put I'm a master degree holder. What? Okay, you don't play. I tell you, because bank sometimes if you think not comfortable, they will ask you to proceed to submit your this certificate to them. Okay, I have one case is like that one. They ask for the master degree cert, okay? Because of course the loan is quite big it's around 800,000, okay? So they will ask more proof. Okay, last but not least is a marital status. How come marital status is one of the main factor of approving my case? Yes, because in the view of banks, whoever already get married is more stable than those single. Okay, this is the point of view of the bank, not me. Okay, so if you think you're still now you are single, you are getting loan soon, please get married soon. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the personal profile. What is the main factor the bank will screen through? Of course, there's still many factor like the residential address. Okay, for example, those more privileged address like Mont Kiara la, Kota Damansara la, like JB is Mount Austin la, Horizon Hill, all these atas address will get higher score one. Okay? So I tell you, bank is really very realistic one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Whoever can stay in Mont Kiara one is of course a high net worth profile people. They are thinking. All right. Okay. Come to next. Okay. So the second step is after screening your personal profile, they will go through your credit scoring. Credit scoring, they will see your secrets. I think most of the friends online will be see this is not I think you are very familiar to this report already. I'm not going to explain one-to-one, but I just want to share with you what the bank will look into your secrets. Okay. First of all,
I just want to highlight this. If those of you who don't know what this is, actually there's an app for you to download on CTOS. It's general. You can also get your secrets, very general readings over there. Now there's an app. If not, you can get this from Bank Negara. Okay, you just go out there, bring your IC, your thumbprint, you print out for free one. Okay, so you can do this. So this is your credit scoring, which everyone has if you're in Malaysia, right? That will check what are the things that you have. So Miss Wong is going to cover this for you guys. Now, all of you have these documents. For those of you who have never got a loan before, this is a very, very important document. This is the blueprint. With one shot on this, they will know whether are you a good customer or not a good customer. So I think Miss Wong is going to go through in detail over here. I know for some of you this is a lot of things, but you pay attention. Okay, this is very important. Usually a lot of people don't tell this in live one. Okay, so pay attention.
Okay, so these secrets, as just now mentioned, Michael mentioned, you can print from this Bank Negara is generated by Bank Negara. As long as you got any loans, okay, from the banks, you will get this report. Even though you do not have any loans right now, we call it green secrets, not even got one credit card, also don't have one, you still can generate the report, but it's empty one. Okay, so from these secrets, bank will see those 4 to 5 things. First, of course, many people will say, Miss Wong, I know these secrets bank will see this, my past 12-month payment history. Majority, my client will tell me one. Okay, of course, this is the past 12 months, your payment history. From here, the bank will see whether you are a prompt payer, okay, a good payer or a bad payer. Okay, everybody over here right now, I cannot tahan already. This kind of information very rare to get one. Everybody, do me one favor. If you're watching this and you're learning a lot, please share to at least 3 of your friends, especially those that are don't know about all these things. I want to buy property this year. You don't tell me you want to buy good deal, and then at the end of the day, this is your problem. You see this or not? This is why I tell people you need to get ready at least 3 to 6 months, because this part over here, what Miss Wong is highlighting, this is the one that's going to create a lot of problems for you. So I'm not going to explain it again in any of my seminar or any of my events or anything. It's better that you all come over here, learn from Miss Wong for free. So please share to at least 3 of your friends out there. Come, put their names in, and learn from Miss Wong over here. This one is very important information. Okay, come. Sorry, Miss Wong. Okay, please share. It's very valuable information. Okay, so very. So you see, for the past 12 months, you can see from this example, if show zero, everybody knows that there's no outstanding or no late payment for your installment. If you see your secrets got any figure other than 0, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, I can tell you right now, for your information, within the 6 months, okay, upon you apply your application, within the 6 months, you got any late payment more than 2 months or even 2 months, okay, you are very hard to get your loan, okay? Some bank even will look into 12-month history. Within 12 months, any 2 or 3 months late payment, okay, straight away reject. Okay, all right. So again, let's see after this payment history, they will see this for your this facility. What kind of credit facility you are applying? Because from this credit facility, they will show, bank will know your spending behavior. Okay, what does it mean? Because from this credit facility, if your secrets got 10 facility, out of 10, 5 credit card is there, 2 personal loan, 1 overdraft, and 1 share margin. I can tell you, like this kind of profile, secrets record, bank will define you as a very high risk borrower, high risk applicant. Okay, because the facility you are applying all is under unsecured loan, is all very high risk one. Okay, again, so the status will always show the outstanding. Outstanding means you haven't fully paid the loan yet. Okay, so if you see your secret got outstanding, that's normal. But if except the outstanding, there's another wording like this example, restructure credit facility. Okay, restructure credit facility. Okay, so you see this client, his hire purchase got restructure credit facility status, which means he is not able to repay the car loan already. He will go to the bank, ask for restructure the reduce the installment or longer the repayment period. Okay, so this is from this status, the bank will define your credibility. Okay, your credibility. So again, if you got any item was shown under this special attention account, I can tell you, you can go back, take a good rest first, okay? Until you clear this special attention account. For just now, I mentioned if your status is still under restructure retenure, there's still a hope, okay? But if this loan is under this category, special attention accounts, that means you are totally ignore this outstanding or this loan already. You don't care, you never pay already. So maybe will be involved the shoe case or blacklist already. Okay, if your secrets got this column, it's very hard. Okay, totally cannot apply lah. Okay, easy to say. So again, last, this application for credit, what is the bank see? Bank will, from this application for credit, he will see your personal profile from here. Why? Because you can imagine for the past 6 to 9 months, every new loan you are applying will be shown here. Okay, will be shown here. If, for example, you are applied 6 months ago, you apply a housing loan, even though you are not taking the loan, it's okay. It still will show in this item. What if this bank, 3 banks all approve you? So now you want to reapply a housing loan, okay? It's a new loan now. So the bank see, last time 6 months ago, you already applied the new loan, okay? And all these 3 banks is approved your case, which means your profile is quite good, quite strong. But what if those 3 banks are rejected your case? It will show that rejected, okay? Once the bank see, this person 6 months ago rejected by 3 banks already. If now I going to approve him, will I in trouble? So he will think a lot of things one. So you will create many troubles for you. So don't simply submit any loan if you do not have any confidence, please, because all your new application records will be shown here. All right, okay? So, okay, you see, for this example, many people told me, okay, Miss Wong, this case okay ma, you see, from payer ma, everything is for the past 12 months, everything is 000. Okay, very good payer but come to this status, you see, oh no, loan under debt restructure by AKPK, okay, and then all is involved to credit card, which means this person spent all his credit limit already and cannot afford to pay, and then ask the bank negara to help him to nego with those banks. So if this kind of profile also cannot go home, okay?
Okay, then Terence is asking right now, you've got a lot of credit cards with high credit limit but no outstanding, should be okay, right?
Yes, it's good, okay? If you got very high limit, okay, which means your income is good, okay, it's very high. So please manage your outstanding always. If you got high limit, that's a good profile for you, but also you need to manage your outstanding. Okay. All right. Okay. So just now, I have Michael also mentioned you can go to this bank negara to print your secrets, but right now it's more easier. You can go to this website, download the e-secrets from here. Okay, but you have to go to one by one. It's more easier. So before that, if you want to apply any loans, please check your own secrets first. Okay. So just now I mentioned, if you see something wrong with your secrets, please, okay, ask somebody else can help or not. If not, don't try because it will really impact your scoring one. Okay.
Okay. So a couple of questions here. You want to answer it now or later?
Also can is regarding the secrets one.
Yeah. So Melanie is asking how long will it be there for? Okay, for all the loans that one has applied.
Again, sorry.
How long? Will it be there for how long?
Okay.
The loans that have been applied.
Okay, normally, it will take 6 months still appeal there. Okay, but some bank, if he did not take out the records, some will be up there until 9 months. I've seen before. Okay. Okay, if approved by FI, no problem. If rejected one, you can go to the bank, ask them fast to take out.
Okay, so Terence got one quick question. If housing loan just approved and another bank offering new credit card, which is not part of the approved housing loan package, will it affect me if I submit a second housing loan within the next 6 months? If you apply for credit card.
Okay, if let's say both your housing loan come first and then the other card approve you, okay, but you take this credit card doesn't affect too much of your scoring, but like I say, you must manage your outstanding because your commitment will be affected if you are using this this credit card. Okay? If the outstanding is too much, then it will affect your next application. Okay.
So Hans is saying, looks like this form is only for insiders. The secrets, if you're referring to a secrets, is not for insiders. You can see it one. It's just that it's for you. It's for you. You cannot send your friend to get it for you. And please don't share your personal information to other people. This is really your own P&C. That's why I say Miss Wong very generous today to share all this information out. I hope the Rohani as now is not a real person.
No. Of course, definitely it's not the real person. Okay.
Otherwise, it's not okay. It's okay. So the secrets is your own personal information. Now, what happened is Bank Negara compile all this information now. Wherever bank you take your loan now, wherever finance company you take your loan from, all the data will be reflected on that piece of paper. So it's a very powerful piece of paper. Okay. Also, one more thing, maybe I just want to add in a bit, if you don't mind, Ms. Wong. Those of you who have your secrets, I don't think it's a good idea for you to bring it and show to the banks. Okay, banks have their own records, but they don't see as detailed as yours. Okay, so just understand that what you see is not what necessarily the bank see. Their system is not similar one. Okay, So this is for your own PNC. Don't go put this information and especially take this and then post it on FB. I tell you, you're asking for trouble. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. True. Because you no need submit this secrets to bank one, because bank they got own system that can trace back your secrets, but cannot see the what do you mean the from which bank lah. Okay. As long as if there are really requests, only you give lah. But normally bank wouldn't request for it. It's for your own reference only. Okay. Remember, it's for your own reference only. Okay. Okay. Last is this screening.
Very important. Okay. Those of you this one is not shared in public one. This one is worth a lot of money one. So those of you want to learn the last thing, everyone please type there DSR. Okay. Now DSR, debt service ratio. This one is really internal one. Many people don't know about it. Maybe nowadays more common more people know lah. If you really go for courses or you learn online, some of them got do YouTube, but this is not something that you will get normally. So when Miss Wong share this, this is a lot of valuable information. So everyone write there DSR, okay? And then Miss Wong will share this with you. DSR, come, write it down first.
Okay. DSR, come, please comment DSR. Okay.
DSR, okay? This is an internal bank calculation, so please let you know, this is very important. Not a lot of people know about this.
Because this DSR, normally you can learn from YouTube, you can learn from any courses, okay? It's very easy to get this information. But I want to tell you, this DSR is just for a guideline for you, okay, to do a very general calculation, okay? So this DSR is the calculation used by bank to check whether you can afford to pay the loan or not. And then the most important thing is every bank will have their own respective guideline for the maximum allowable DSR threshold percentage. Okay, for example, okay, let's see, this is one of the bank, but I cannot put which bank lah. Okay, so this is a local bank. Okay, majority local bank will be used this kind of this DSR threshold. Okay, whoever net income is less than 3,000, the maximum threshold will be 60% of the net income, which means 3,000 times 60% is 1,800 ringgit. This is the maximum installment you are afford to pay. Okay, so higher net income will be, you will get higher DSR threshold. Like if your net income is above 10,000, your DSR threshold will be 80%, which means 8,000. Total monthly repayment maximum 8,000. So higher pay, higher DSR. Okay, and then some of this is majority based on fixed income earner. Fixed income earner. If you are a commission earner, like if your monthly commission is 10,000, bank will not count 10,000 in full. They will do some deduction. Okay, like 10,000, some bank will only take 70% or 80%, which means your monthly income will become 7,000 or 8,000 only. You must take note of that. So if let's say you submit to bank A, your commission only can count 70%. So 70% times 75% of the DSR threshold, you can get the maximum how much. But if you go to bank B, it can take up to probably 100%. Then it will be much higher percentage to get approval. You get what I mean? Okay, so you must select to the right bank if you are commission earner. Okay, for fixed income earner, there's not much different lah, but commission earner there is. All right. Okay, so this is the basic calculation, and then let me show you. Also, the step one, after your gross pay, deduct everything, EPF, SOCSO, PCB, and blah blah blah. You get your net income times the DSR percentage will be your total installment amount. For example, 5,000, you can times 70%. The maximum for your monthly installment is 3,005. All right, so you get this figure. After that, you get this figure, you tolakkan, deduct the current installment. So you will know your balance new installment is how much. Let's say, for example, before that, you know that total installment is 3,005 minus 500 probably is your car loan or personal loan. You're still able to get this 3,000 is your balance new installment amount. So lastly, if now you want to apply a mortgage loan, you use this 3,000 times 200. Okay, this 200 is a magic figure based on 30 years tenure for calculation. So 3,000 times 200 becomes 600,000. This is the maximum loan amount which is bank will approve you. Okay, so today if you are going to look for a property, you must have a benchmark. How much I can afford to loan. Okay, bank will borrow me how much. So this is a very simple calculation for you to do a guideline, okay, for a benchmark.
Okay, everybody listen up. This one is very important by Miss Wong. All right, this is actually to calculate how much loan you can take for home loans, right? So this one, let's say a lot of people don't know, how much can they afford? Hey, Michael, my pay is only 2,000. My pay is only 5,000. How much can I pay? Or I am already an installment which I'm serving right now for my house, for my car, everything of 2,000 ringgit. So how much more can I loan from the bank? So everybody, step 1, step 2, step 3, you better take a picture of this. And this is a very important thing, okay? The step 3 over there, the 200, that is a magic factor, okay? This magic factor is what, 35 years? 30 years, right?
30, based on 30, okay?
And then, based on what's the interest rate?
If 35 years, you can times 225.
Okay, 225. Okay, and the interest rate?
Interest rate will be, right now, I based on right now, like the interest rate, I put 3.5 to 4.
3.5, 3.54.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody put that right now. Wow, this is a super secret, easy one. If you do this, very easy to count already. So everyone put that 200. Okay, write down there 200. Write down there, comment that 200. Okay, and you're watching this right now. How many of you find this of a lot of value? If you really find this a lot of value, please put that 200 and then please share that to as many people as possible. All right, this is super important. A lot of people will not teach you how to do this. All right, and for those of you who are newbies, this is the best information I've seen anyone give to you guys. Miss Wong has taken so much effort to prepare this for you guys. So everybody, please give her a couple of likes, okay, and then share this out. This is the easiest way for you to calculate how much loan you can still afford. All right. So as you can see over here, if you can still have $3,000 of installments times 200, you for a 30-year loan, 30-year loan with current interest rate, you can still loan up to 600,000 ringgit worth of loans. Worth of loans.
Loan amount. Yeah.
Loan amount, meaning let's say your property is, let's say divide by another, let's say if you can take 90% loan, if you can take 90% loan, then this one, that means you can still take up to about 660 somewhere there 660.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Wow, this is very good. Okay.
All right. Okay. So I think that's all. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
So if you can't qualify for a 30-year loan, you have to the factor cannot be 200 anymore. It should be less. Should be less already.
Yeah. Okay. So that's my slide for today's. Any question?
Okay. So people are asking already. 20-year, what is the magic number? 25-year, what's the
Okay. So normally 30 years is the very normal common rate 200, and then 35 225, and then if 15 should be times 150, 25 is 175, around that. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Okay. So now we've
memorize
come
it.
to question 175. I think I better write it down inside the what. So it's 20 is what? 20. The factor
20
is
150. Okay.
Is this minus
20.
25 points? Correct or not?
Yeah. Okay. Let's say the tenure 20 years, you times 150. Okay. Then these 25 years, you times 175.
Okay. So it's just 25 years every 25, just plus 25, 25, 25.
Yeah, yeah. Around that. Just a guideline for you all.
Don't ask for accurate. This is just agak only.
Because there's a formula, okay? We are using the system to calculate one. So I just want your easy to get the loan amount. So that's only a guideline for you lah. All right.
Guideline, don't think that wow, this is not so accurate. You go banker come out a different number. You don't complain. Different one. Okay, come. Okay, good. Can you see the questions, Miss Wong?
Sorry, I can't see the question.
Okay, so I read out for you. So Chek Ping has asked this question. My dad has a few loans under his company and I, okay? And I'm a partner of the company. So I saw the loans under my secrets. Oh, okay. Will this affect my housing loan application?
Okay, if those loan is under company, if your company is SSM, sole prop or partnership, okay, it will affect your DSR. Okay, if it's under Sendirian Berhad, you are safe. Okay, Sendirian Berhad is totally different entity. But if sole prop of this partnership, yes, it will affect.
Okay, wow, that's a very good one. Okay, so Chek Ping, I think you better check again if it's a sole prop or
enterprise.
Enterprise, it will definitely affect you. Partnership also. Partnership
yes, partnership also.
Right? But limited liability partnership, no, right?
Okay. For limited liability, LLP, okay, is very how to say bank. I think so far bank is not loan to any LLP under any LLP company. They only accept those enterprise sole prop partnership or Sendirian Berhad. This is what my officer told me lah. So if LLP, so far I think is still under sole prop will take up some of your DSR as well. Okay, but Sendirian Berhad you are safe because it's totally not affected.
Okay, guys, all right, everybody over here, you better ask your questions. This is the golden session. We don't have a lot of time left. We're going to stop in another 5 to 10 minutes. So you better ask those questions right now, valuable questions, valuable time, so then that Miss Wong can answer for you. Okay, okay, Chek Ping has a follow-up question. Okay, understand. So if I remove myself from the partnership, will it help? Okay, if you remove, which means you are totally not get involved in the partnership already, right? Okay, yes, but it depends. It will take times. It will take times. Not that this month you remove, then next month you will see your DSR will be recover back. No, not so soon one. It will take times. Actually, I want to ask, it depends, because if the loans are signed under two names, then gone already, Yeah. And then because you are using this partnership to take loan, right? If no mistaken, you should use this partnership to take loan. So you have to go through either you do refinance or you totally switch this loan under the other partner. Yeah. So Chek Ping, if you have already signed the loan agreements together with your debt, you already tied in already. It will be in your secrets regardless of whether you're partnership or not partnership. So however, if your dad is the one who took the loans and you didn't take the loans and you didn't sign any documents to the bank, which is quite uncommon. Usually they'll ask you to sign because you are a partner, so you will be liable one. So unlikely. So you have to record, did you sign any documents? If you did not sign any documents, you remove yourself from the partnership, then okay. But if it's shown up in your secrets, most likely means you've already been binded.
You already signed.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you want to remove, either you do refinance or totally this loan switch to the other partners.
So you have to remove yourself, switch your another refinance, restructure the loan, put it under 100% under your debt if possible. Okay. Okay, Susie Wima asks, if I appoint my son who is 24 years old to work in my company, how long does he need to wait to apply for housing loan for him?
Okay, very good question. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Right now, father open a company, appoint the son or the daughter become the manager, okay, 24 years old. Please, when you submit the loan, please do not let the bank know this is your father company. Okay. It's true because I got a case. The son is really work under the father company, but the bank not accept because they will suspect this income is not the true one. Okay, because father is your boss, they can simply put you 8,000, 7,000. So they still need, if still again is only 24 years old. Sometimes if you let the bank know you are working under your father company, they will ask for co-borrower.
So you need to have a joint. Okay, so very good. Wow, this is very good advice from Ms. Wong. Of course, Susie, what you're showing over here, obviously, is you're trying to get your son to have potential to get credit, worthiness to go and get loans. So banks don't like this, right? They don't like this. They suspect that you may be, playing around with the documentation. So the best thing is make sure that you don't show the relationship with your son. Okay. Okay, good advice already. Okay. Hoseng asks, I refinance.
Sorry, Michael. Those immediate relationship, if working under same company, you better don't let the bank know, like husband and wife, okay, and this brother sister also, okay. Sometimes it will affect your scoring as well.
Okay. So next one. Okay, there's one next question. Next question is Hoseng asks, I refinance and apply 2 housing loan at the same time. Is it good to do this at the same time? Interesting question.
Wow.
Go submission, I think.
Okay, good question. And very how to say, you do compression of refinance. Okay, still come back to the basic fundamental. I need to ask, is that your DSR can pass?
Yes.
Okay, if your DSR is more than enough you to do the 2 refinance, it shouldn't be any problem. But if you are really doing this compression at the same time and your DSR actually is not past 1, you don't play. Now banks is very strict on this. And then I have to tell you, the refinance calculation is totally different with our normal submission.
Yes.
If you get this, if the normal submission, okay, the tenure is 35 years, you can divide 35 years. But for the refinance calculation, that has a 10 years rules. 10 years rules. Yes. So if you can pass through this 10 years rule, okay, it's okay. But normally it's very hard.
Very hard. Okay. It's an acid test. So don't get it confused. In other words, when you apply for refinance, they'll check whether can your income take for 10-year loan only, not the 30-year loan, not 25-year loan. So if this total amount, let's say 600,000, you cannot pay the installment for 10 years, they will reject your refinancing. However, once you pass that 10-year, they will give you back the 25-year or 30-year loan, okay, depending on the 10-year one. It's just an acid test. They want to make sure you're able to pay in a shorter period of time. That's number 1. Number 2, what Ms. Wong says is also very true. Multiple submission. I think there's a very big debate recently on the internet about this multi-sub, okay, multiple submission. Meaning you're trying to submit for 2 loans at the same time. You have to be very careful when you do this because the banks know about this trick already. So they will check, and after upon drawdown, some banks will check to see, you have one loan or two loans in your secrets. Should they find that there's a separate loan in your secrets, they have the right to withdraw your loan facility. They have the right, okay? Or they will cut your margin. Either way, you will lose out. Okay, so please be very careful when you do this nowadays. It's not advisable. Okay, I think go straight way better. Okay, go straight way better. Okay, wow, very good question. I think we are running out of time already, so can take a few last questions only. Christine Ko asks, why bank have not have loans? Why banks not have loans customer service to advise client on applying for loans? Okay, this one I answer for you lah. Okay. It's not that they don't have, they do have, but you will wish the bank loan officer will tell you all this information that Miss Wong will tell you. This is, I tell you, Kang Tao Lubang of the biggest cut already, right? Many loan officers are there to protect the bank's interests. They will not tell you all this information, I can tell you. If you have an officer that tell you all this, this card is very, very good already, and you must keep it in your pocket. This person keep it in your pocket for the rest of your life. I tell you, out of 10 loan officers, number one, most of them are juniors. They work on commission. They may not be in the industry for a long time. Okay, those that are senior, they're higher ranking, they move up, they don't see customer already. They are mostly in the back end manager level. So the most of the front end runners are mainly new in the market. Number one. Number two, okay, they will not know all these things. Whatever Miss Wong has done over here, she has done it because of the experience. So I tell you, you will wish the loan officer will tell you all these things. Even though there's a problem there, they will not cite you one, but they set the bank. They will come to a customer and say, I'm sorry, sir, okay, your loan is rejected, and they won't tell you why. Okay, you should listen to Miss Wong's story at the beginning, how she got rejected 6 times on the bank. Actually, she very lucky already. Right, I got rejected 20 over times. Yeah, yes. Okay, when I first started, that's how I learned. When my secrets last time, I tell you, I first started 12 years ago. I paid myself 1,200 ringgit, very low. Okay, and I had a secret for my credit card. So I had to get rejected 26 times to learn. I never knew there so many times I can get rejected. I counted 26 times rejection until I found some bankers. Some bankers will tell me something, some bankers tell me something. So at the end of the day, I know the whole story. Why I got rejected. This one cannot work, that one because of income, because of credit card, because of this. So then I put up everything together. So what I can tell you and what Miss Wong is telling you is we learn all this through our experience.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah. So you will wish the bank will tell you this. So good. So you better appreciate this session with Miss Wong right now. Okay. So one last question. Okay. Julie Sim said, I have 2 existing housing loan joint name with my husband. Then if I apply a new loan under my personal name, how will the bank compute my current installment?
Okay. If you already have 2 loans, what you want to ask is whether you are still getting the highest margin as 90% or only 70%. Okay. If you already have 2 residential loans before, okay, definitely this coming, the third one is the third property is 70% is the maximum. Of course, recently our PM did mention come up with some for the third property, you still can go to 90% loan, right? Okay, but with certain condition, must be HOC campaign, all these things, blah blah blah. But I asked many officer already, is it come with the policy already? Still pending. All right, still pending. So I think better if you are really want to go third one, you please calculate as 70% is more safe. Okay.
I think I want to add to that. We had a session with Dato' Lee yesterday. So officially, as of 1st of June 2020, it's already applicable under the new HOC that you can get up to 90% loan for properties which are 600K and above. Okay. However, there's no listing of those kind of available properties as of today. So you've wasted 1 month. I think the Maybank house key can apply for this.
Okay, Maybank always is the pioneer, but they are very selective. Okay, very selective. You either you are very high net worth profile, okay, or the existing VIP privileged customer for them, okay, they will entertain. But if you are not existing customer one, I think you better ask, okay, clearly.
But there's the opportunity there, so go and
yes, there is. Yeah, there is.
Okay, so then Julie is asking, okay, maybe I think she's clarifying. Current installment based on the full monthly installment or the portion, because she shared with the husband. So is it half of the installment or full installment?
Half, 50-50.
Okay.
Okay, 50-50.
Just in case you inform the bank that it's a joint loan, then it's definitely 50-50. All right. It should be calculated 50. So but inform the banker, they will know.
Okay? Yeah. For next week, okay, next week I will share with you all these details one. If you share with others, okay, how to do the calculation, everything, okay, I will share in next week. Okay. And so, also I will share with just now the question why bank do not have this kind of loans loan specialists okay, to tell you all these things. Okay, the last episode I will tell you as well.
Wow. Okay, the last episode will tell you. Yeah. Okay, now how many of you have enjoyed yourself with Miss Wong so far? If you really enjoy yourself with Miss Wong so far, everyone please give her a 10. Okay, give her a 10 right now. Okay, give her a 10. All right, this is something very important. And here's the deal, all right? She's going to share for 5 sessions with us. Now, this is something very rare. If you find this very beneficial today, please share to as many of your friends as possible. Okay, why are we having this series? Just to share with you guys. We've come out with this series called Winning 2020. If those of you who know me, I'm a property investor. I went through the last crisis in 2008. I know this is the time to make money. So my purpose of bringing Miss Wong here is not to tell you not to take loans, is to get yourself prepared so you can take more loans. All right. Now, of course, loans comes with good property, so please stay tuned to find out how we can do it. Yesterday, we have a legal session with Dato' Lee. We'll tell you all the loopholes and to protect yourself legally. Today, we're going to do a finance session with Miss Wong. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a series. So everybody, if you've enjoyed yourself today, wow, so many tens. Everybody right now, you have to make sure you come back next week at Thursday, 8 p.m. Okay? So those of you who are here right now, everyone write that Thursday, 8 p.m. Thursday, 8 p.m. So you can tell the people over here who's watching this that next week, Thursday, 8 p.m., every Thursday for the next 4 more weeks, okay, for 1 month only, Miss Wong is going to be here. She's going to be sharing step-by-step of a S2S system. Now, this whole thing is to help you guys get more loans. And if you guys are in Johor, of course, other places also good, can lah, but especially those of you in Johor, JB area, please go look for Miss Wong. Miss Wong, if you don't mind, you share your contact there, right? Share, you got it. Then you can talk to her. Okay. This is for those of you who want to get more loans. Okay, so Thursday, 8 p.m. Please make sure you come back again and tell your friends. See, wow, her pretty picture. Right? Real life, she looks younger than this picture. Wow, no, this picture she looks 21. Real life, she's only 18.
Okay, so this is my page, and I did video this video inside this page. You can go to, but it's in Mandarin one. Okay, and for your information, this is the very first time the whole section I'm using English. If my English is not that good, please forgive me. All right. Okay. So hope that you all understand. Okay. So yeah, please like and follow my page, and then my this just now I think below here there is my this handphone number is my assistant Chichi handphone number. Anything you are not understand, you can PM her, okay, or WhatsApp her. And then, okay, actually today I did prepare this ebook for you. Okay, this is for today's section, the screening section, the first step. Okay, only the first step. So if you are interested, you can scan this QR code, and then you just fill up some this Google form. My assistant Chichi will send you this ebook. All right. Okay. So thank you.
All right. So see you guys again next week at Thursday, 8 p.m. Thank you so much, Miss Wong. It's been so great, this information. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Michael. All right. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.